Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're gonna be debadging my friend's car. It's a 2008 Mazda 3. So we're gonna be taking this and this off to make it look cleaner. Okay, so the stuff you're gonna need is heat. You could use one of these heat guns, or you could also use a blow dryer, but it's better to use one of these. These are like $10 at Harbor Freight with a coupon. So the next thing is fishing wire. Take off the emblems, and you want to get Goo Gone, and there's just a towel. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. So first thing you want to do is heat it up for like about 2 minutes. Alright, next grab your fishing wire and just start removing it. Go slow. Just up and down. So there's a 3. Just continue doing it to the rest. Alright, I'm gonna start on the other side. If it's not going through, just give it a little more heat. Okay, so this has holes. Alright, just get some water and just start wiping it down. And then dry it. And then get some of your Goo Gone. Just start scraping it off. We did end up taking the emblems off on the side here. As you can see, it looks cleaner. Hey guys, so we finished Mazda 3. So now we're heating up the Mazda logo, and we're gonna take that off. We're gonna be doing an Evil M. So it's pretty easy. You just gotta cut this off and this. You can use a saw, but I'm using one of these today. So that's how it came out. You could sand these parts and then just paint it black. So this is what it looks like on the car. see, we made the cuts here. We just painted it, and it looks better now. Thanks for watching.